Hi there, aspiring web developers. Welcome back to my channel. Whether you are a beginner looking to dive into the world of web development or an experienced coder aiming to level up your skills, YouTube has become an incredible platform for learning. Today, we are going to explore the top 5 YouTube channels that offer fantastic web development tutorials, insights, and resources to help you become a coding master. So, let's get started. The NetNinja is a web development powerhouse offering comprehensive tutorials on everything from HTML and CSS to JavaScript frameworks like React, Vue.js, and more. The tutorials are well structured, easy to follow, and often include real world projects to reinforce your learning. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate coder, the NetNinja's video cater to a wide range of skill levels. Brad Traversy, the creator of Traversy Media, delivers practical web development tutorials with a focus on creating projects that mirror real world scenarios. His channel covers topics like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and various web development frameworks. You will also find videos on databases, deployment, and more. Brad's friendly teaching style and extensive coding knowledge make his tutorials highly effective for learners of all levels. This channel provides in-depth explanations of web development concepts and technologies. The channel offers courses on a variety of subjects including front-end and back-end development, databases, and design principles. This YouTuber teaching approach involves breaking down complex topics into easily digestible segments, making even the most challenging subjects accessible. CodeWithChris is an excellent resource for those looking to learn web development for iOS and mobile platforms. Chris tutorials cover a wide array of topics including Swift programming, Swift UI, and integrating web services into mobile apps. If you are interested in creating web-based applications that seamlessly integrate with mobile devices, this channel is a goldmine of information. Coding Train is a unique blend of coding, creativity, and fun. While not solely focused on web development, this channel offers access of coding challenges and creative coding projects tutorials that enhance your coding skills from a different angle. Exploring creative coding can provide you with unique insights and help you approach web development with a fresh perspective. There you have it, our top 5 YouTube channels to accelerate your journey in mastering web development. Whether you are a visual learner or a project addict, these channels offer an abundance of knowledge and expertise. Remember, consistent practice and hands-on coding are key to truly mastering web development. So don't just watch, get those fingers typing and start building amazing web projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.